Hey guys, I am just setting up, getting ready to get on my new outfit. Just waiting, I'm gonna get dressed, cause you know, girl can't have too many fitness outfits. And hey guys, so I'm Tanya the Machine. Thank you so much. Hey, Leticia. I'm at 602 in Stonebriar in Frisco, and we are clearing the floor. We got the DJ going. I'm so excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm gonna be back at this location on Saturday, September 26th, as part of the Beachbody Live Size Live workout series we're doing every Saturday in September, all across in certain stores in California, in Texas, in Arizona. So, I'm in Frisco. I'm at Stonebriar. Hey. So, yeah, pretty soon I gotta go set up, plug in my computer and get going. But I don't know in Arizona. You'll have to find out. They're all at different places. It's at 602.com, and then you can click on their events. But anyway, so I'm so excited to be here. Super fun. It's a little loud behind me, but they're clearing the floor, and you know, we're just gonna do a little mall workout, have a little fun, and I'm going to, that's funny, Leticia, and I'm going to be doing this Never Miss a Monday workout series once a month for the next 6 months. So if you couldn't make it today, definitely come out and join me on another Monday. I'm going to post all the dates that I'm going to be here at this location. It's free. The shopping afterward is not free, so don't tell them that I said that. And oh, thank you. So I am getting ready to go. I just wanted to tune in before I get busy, and I will see you guys there. Yes, beach curls. I'm going to see you guys very soon, hopefully again on my next scope. Thank you so much. I can't wait to sweat, have fun, and then go shopping afterwards. Okay, no, maybe I should just get in the car and go home, so I don't spend all my money here. Thank you so much for the good luck. And where do we find out about this? Well, for the 602 workouts, you go to 602.com and look at their events tab. So, and you can come they have a lot of free events. I will be here doing at the Frisco location in Dallas. I'll be doing a workout on the 26th. It'll be a Size Live Beachbody Live workout at 9 a.m. on September 26th, which is a Saturday. And then I'll be back for the next 5 months on a Monday. I'll give you guys all the dates. I'll post it on my social media at Tanya the Machine. And we'll go from there, and I hope to see you guys there. All right, guys. Thanks so much, Leticia. All right, guys. Have a great one. I will see you soon.